Foodie family, it's your boy Foodie Loco, the Bougie Cholo. Back at it again with another food review slash food blog. Today I came to get my oil change at the Walmart, because I don't got the luxurious life to go change it somewhere else. So I gotta do the oil change for 40 bucks. It is what it is. Here at this Walmart, they got a Subway, and I've been seeing those Footlong Nachos that people have been talking about for $5. So I'll probably go work my fat ass down there and grab me some nachos and try them out for y'all. We're gonna see if they're worth it, if they're not worth it, what it is, what it ain't, and all that good stuff. The chicken nachos. We got these beef nachos. Both of these cost $5, y'all. $5, that's hella bread. I mean, it ain't hella bread, but it's like they low-key skimped out on the food. And they hella low-key burnt the chips. As you can see, off the first chip, ain't nothing on there. You'd think, it'd be marinated with meat, cheese, and all that good shit, but we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna try to scoop some chicken. And it's just regular chicken, the chicken that they got, the chicken breast that they got, but we're gonna try it out. The chicken breast, or whatever part of the chicken they use, is perfectly seasoned. You got a little onion. Let me try to put it in my mouth. No diddy. They got like some type of chipotle cream sauce on there. Which is lightweight decent. I would have never expected Subway to come out with nachos. This is low-key something that I would expect Taco Bell to do. This low-key giving me Taco Bell vibes. Now I'm gonna try the beef. There's hardly any beef. Subway don't want no beef. There's hardly any beef on there. Oh, here's a big piece of beef right here. Let me see if y'all can see. I'm gonna try the beef now. There's low-key hella sauce. As you can see, guys, tomato, jalapeno, a whole bunch of shit. Let me try one of these jalapenos. It's decent, it's good. Would I go out my way to get it? Hell no. For the chicken, I'm about to give the chicken like a 6 out of 10. For the beef, like a 6 out of 10. They both taste the same. The meats obviously taste different. I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, like a 6 out of 10. Ain't nothing too special about it, you feel me? Ain't nothing too special. Let's try these cookies. These cookies they still like a motherfucker. These cookies, I give them like a 4 out of 10. Yeah, that's my opinion on the Subway nachos, y'all. Peace.